Well, so the weather today really is all about this low pressure system, especially for the first two boats. And this is our animation today. We can see Charlie Dallin here at the front of this low pressure system, really starting to hit them and hit them hard. We're seeing gusts of 40 to 50 knots over the latter part of today and into tomorrow. That's going to be the toughest part for them. Meanwhile, up in the north, we have Johan Richomme, the blue boat, who is repositioned up to the north. Even so for them, it's quite tough conditions. So if we play the animation forward, we'll see how Charlie and Sebastian Simon pass through the centre of the low pressure system. That means big seas and very, very unsettled conditions. So that's going to be the toughest time for them going into tomorrow. And really at the back here, when they're coming through the depression, this is a very difficult period, 40 to 50 knots in the gusts, as I say, but very, very confused seas. Meantime, watching how things play out for the boats in the north, Johan Richomme carries on a little bit further to the north, and there's very much a classic situation coming through out of it. They're on the top corner of the low pressure system, and then as we zoom in to the weekend, coming into Friday and Saturday, you can see how the two courses converge once again. Charlie Dallin coming out of it with a lead probably of around about 200 miles ahead of Johan Richomme as they come out of this system, and that is on Saturday. So looking now at this is looking at Clarisse Kramer and the group at the back of the low. Clarisse has just dropped out of the low and into this high pressure system. Now waiting for the next low, and we can see that coming for her. And we see a little bit of compression now between her, as she said in her audio call today. She's worried about the boats behind on this low pressure. We're looking at Sébastien Marcet catching up a few miles and that's the situation for Clarisse in particular, but also the group behind catching up on this low pressure system. So that is very much the weather systems for different boats, different skippers at the moment. It's all different, but I say very challenging for the boats in the front.